There's a legend right there. The man, the myth.
I'm here.
The front lift expert.
The front lift, I don't know about expert, but...
Yeah, I gotta raise this up. Boy, you're taller than me.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, this is...
Kneel down.
Wow, yep.
The module basically is connected to the hydraulic unit, which is connected to the motor. So
right.
The module is technically the control unit portion, the motor, and then like a hydraulic block, and it's all one unit.
So that all came together?
Yep, you got
wow.
The module, you got the motor and the hydraulic block. It's all one piece.
So that's where all the bread and butter is. Pretty amazing. All right, guys, welcome back. I hope you're having a great day. We are back at Whitmore Auto Group. I got the phone call, thanks to Mason here at Whitmore Auto Group. We do have a solution to the problem. And for those of you that don't know, I have a 2023 C8 hardtop convertible special edition 70th anniversary. And unfortunately, it does have two problems. In this case, it's going to be the front lift and a small problem with the panel gap in the rear. Panel gap, not a big deal. The front lift, it's going to be a module, which also comes with some type of solenoids included. We'll go over all that in detail. And there is a bulletin. I will put that right here on the issue. So unfortunately, it took them a little bit of time to get it. It's not their fault whatsoever. It just takes time for these things to come in. And so I'll let you guys know everything as far as how it's being fixed and hopefully the final solution that it is fixed. So I'm looking forward to this. I'm so excited. And if you guys do have any comments or concerns at all, drop a comment, let me know. Or if you're having this problem as well, let me know with your C8. So my last C8 also had a problem with the front lift. That was just leaking and it was just a cap. So with this, again, it's just a module. It is here, we're here. So I'm looking forward to getting this fixed. In the meantime, let's take a look around and see what they have for sale. As always, you guys just never know what they're gonna have for sale here. And I can tell you right now, there's some pretty amazing stuff that's here. Let's dive into it. Oh, and like, share, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. It'll help YouTube share all my videos when the algorithm comes up with my latest upload. If that made any sense. Yeah, you guys get it. All right, let's take a look, guys. Now, what we're about to see is a 2023 C8 Special Edition, like mine, except it is a coupe, but it's the Hennessey version. So this is gonna be Pro Charge, warranty package, roughly 700-ish, with a warranty and a special edition. And number 7 as far as the build, which is insane. So let's take a look at this. Of course, we have mine sitting right here. Again, I'll keep you guys posted on the progress of this and what the solution is going to be for this baby. It's going to be fixed, I'm sure. I have no doubt, but the stance on this thing is absolutely gorgeous. So looking at the coupe on the Pro Charge version, it's not going to be a whole lot of these around, right? So these are rare enough as it is. Roughly 3,000 of these special editions, not including the Pro Charge Hennessy's, right? That's completely separate. So with the pearl white, the coupe, and the convertible all combined, it is 3,000. So from what I understand, roughly around every 7 of the pearl whites, there's only 1 black made, roughly, right? So then you divide that up between the coupe and then the hardtop convertible, which makes it even more rare. So there's probably realistically maybe 1,200 of these around, roughly around about. So when you have a warranty package and it's a company that's subcontracted through Chevy and you have the Hennessey, it makes it even more rare. So on this particular point in time, there it is right here. And it's only gonna be not that many of these built. So this is just insane. So as you can see right here, this is the Hennessey and it says supercharged. And looking in that window, wow. Again, this is a special edition, so this is my car, but in the coupe, and I just don't even know what to say. So you have your special badging, of course. Center cap is going to be changed. With this package, they changed out the rims, and you get proprietary badging H700 for the kit, and just insane. So 703 or 708 flywheel with the warranty, and it's a special edition as well. This is going to be insane. Very similar to what I have. These are the GT2 seats. And of course, you get your badging over here, and badging on the steering wheel just like mine, and your special badging over here. So that's where all the bread and butter is. Pretty amazing. I don't think you can cram any more in there. I mean, it's pretty well spec'd out. So they did a pretty good job. I have no complaints as far as the design. Now the hardtop hatch like mine, I don't know how they're gonna do that. So that's gonna be a lot different. But that is just a quick look on this ProCharge Hennessey edition of the 7th anniversary. And of course they got different exhausts as well. I'm not for sure which exhaust that is, but man, I don't think you're gonna see another one of these, to be honest with you. At least not in the special edition. So they are working on my car as we speak, and you can see it over there. So keep you guys posted on that, on its progress. But I just want to show you guys this real quick, not to go too crazy on it, but I don't think you're gonna see another one. So that was pretty epic, right? Seeing the Hennessey Special Edition 70th anniversary. We didn't get a chance to go in detail on it. Hopefully we will a little bit later. But what do you guys think? Do you think that we should reach out to Hennessey and see if they have a kit available for a hardtop convertible?
One of these days I'll push the button.
One of these days he's gonna get this right. So guys, I think we figured out the solution to the panel gap in the rear of the C8, and it's completely different than what I thought it was gonna be. So apparently these adjustments right here and throughout the car, right here as well, and this is completely different than the coupe, right? So the coupe over here, obviously this is a Hennessey edition, which is freaking gorgeous. It might be slightly different in that design. So yeah, so if you want to adjust your panel gap, at least for the lid of your hardtop convertible, it's apparently done by these, right? So you have one over here, 1, 2, and I believe another one over there, and that'll adjust it. So that is the simple solution to that. Now as far as the front lift, they got this done a lot quicker than I thought. When Mason gets back, we'll figure out all the specifics on. There's the legend right there, the man, the myth.
I'm here.
The front lift expert.
The front lift, I don't know about expert, but
yeah, I gotta raise this up. Boy, you're taller than me.
yeah, I know.
Yeah, this is
Kneel down.
wow. Yep, that's pretty much what we do. We joke around a lot. I don't even know if you can see me in there.
I don't know.
Yeah, who knows?
Yep.
So this right here, the bulletin from before, is that still accurate as to exactly what it was? The module?
Yeah, it's kind of along the same line. So the module basically is connected to the hydraulic unit, which is connected to the motor. So
right.
The module is technically the control unit portion, the motor, and then like a hydraulic block, and it's all one unit.
So that all came together?
Yep, you got
wow.
The module, you got the motor and the hydraulic block. It's all one piece.
Wow, so you can't order that separately?
You might be able to get the module separately, but I don't think so. Don't quote me
Okay.
on it, but I think you have to get it. I think you have to get it as like an entire, it comes as an entire unit.
Yeah, that's way more involved than I thought. That's
Yeah,
pretty.
so I mean, you pull all that out, and then the worst part is bleeding it then.
Right,
Because
right.
bleeding it, there's a very set instructions on how
Right.
they want you to bleed it. You have to use a special pressure bleeder to be able to push the air.
That's
through,
crazy,
and
bro.
It either goes really smooth or not smooth at all. Luckily, on yours, it went super smooth.
So guys, I have about a 2-hour drive, so when I get home, we'll see. I'm sure it's gonna be fine. There's not gonna be any kind of leaks or any of that good stuff, but
Yeah, no, they're
Yeah.
like, their testing parameters is they want it to go up. I think it's like 3.6 seconds.
Right.
Is what the spec is for how quick it goes up. And then it has to hold the up position, and they say it has to have minimal motor noise.
so there's obviously a step-by-step SOP and process and all that good stuff.
They're super particular in like the order they want you to do the stuff with the front left.
So there's a lot. I thought when I heard like module, I was like, all right, it's just like this little teeny module.
Yeah,
Apparently, it's
their module is like the module, the whole thing.
and like so for as long as how long it takes to order, it's gonna depend on the dealership, right? So when they order this part, it might be a short period, it might be a very long period of time. So, yeah.
Luckily, yours was kind of in the middle. It wasn't really
Yeah,
short, but
a
it
couple
wasn't
weeks,
really,
something like that.
It wasn't really long.
Yeah.
So
So
kinda in the
yeah.
middle.
So guys, when that's happening, you guys should be patient. I mean, it's not the dealership, right? It's not. They have no control how long it's going to take for a part to arrive. So obviously, if this happens, you just got to be patient. But yeah, it's all good.
Yeah.
First thing you got to do is just let your dealership know.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Take it in, get it diagnosed.
So cool. That's pretty much sums it up. The car is fixed, and I'll be driving this home.
Yep.
And
no more front left issues.
yeah, no more front issues.
So you get your Z06.
Yeah, that's the ongoing joke here. So you guys heard it there again, right? Until we get the Z06, if we're getting the Z06, guaranteed that front lip is not going to work. Fingers crossed, we'll see. All right, dude.
All right.
Thank you so much as always.
Anytime.
Yeah, this guy's awesome. What can I say?
Do my best.
Yeah, he does his best. You know, he does better than me. I'm not as often. Yeah. Oh, awesome, often. Yeah, I'm mumbling again. All right, guys, we are out of here. I'm heading home, and you guys have a great day, and I'll keep you guys posted on how everything is holding up. In the meantime, huh?
I did it again.
Yeah, what happened?
I pushed the wrong one.
Dude, you're in this button pressing at the wrong time, yeah?
One day I'll catch you.
Yep. All right, guys, we are out of here. See ya.